Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Toyota spare tire tool kit is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components of your vehicle's emergency preparedness, ensuring you're never left stranded on the roadside due to a flat tire. This comprehensive kit provides all the necessary tools to safely and efficiently change a tire, making it an indispensable item for any Toyota owner who values peace of mind and self-reliance during unexpected roadside situations. Number 5. Dorman 926-809 Spare Tire Jack Handle Wheel Lug Wrench. This is the ideal replacement part. It's designed to perfectly match the original jack handle and lug wrench on your specified Dodge, Jeep, or Ram vehicle. Constructed from tough, durable materials, this tool features a protective coating. This ensures it can withstand harsh environments and provide a long service life. Trust in Dorman Products, a company with over 100 years of experience. We've been providing quality automotive replacement parts to customers for generations. This part has undergone extensive testing. Both dimensional and material tests were performed to guarantee a quality fit and ensure its longevity. To ensure it's the right fit for your vehicle, please use the garage tool. Check the confirmed fit bar, and if you see an I icon, verify the fitment notes. What we like. This is an ideal replacement for your original equipment. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand harsh environments. If you're looking for a reliable, direct fit for your specific Dodge, Jeep, or Ram vehicle, this is the one to consider. What people say. Good quality and makes for compact storage. Works and fits perfectly. Perfect replacement for my 2007 Ram spare kit. Used it twice without any problems. Number 4. IMAYCC 2-ton car scissor jack kit. This car jack is designed to work with a wide range of vehicles, from low sedans to high-body SUVs. It can lift from 3.9 to 15.2 inches, with a maximum load capacity of 2 tons or 4,409 pounds. Featuring a new bidirectional mechanical design, it lifts on both sides simultaneously. This means you'll use 90% less effort and save valuable time when changing a tire. Built with stability in mind, it has a thickened and enlarged base plate for secure footing. The reinforced rolled edges and heavy-duty steel construction ensure it can withstand high pressure. This portable 2-ton scissor jack is suitable for most vehicles, including sedans, coupes, SUVs, and more. It's a great addition to your car for any tire change emergency. The kit includes everything you need: a 2T scissor jack, a ratchet wrench, a lug wrench with multiple sizes, and gloves. All these tools fit conveniently in your trunk, ready for any roadside situation. What we like. This kit offers a wide lifting range suitable for sedans to SUVs, making it incredibly versatile. Its innovative bidirectional design requires 90% less effort, saving you time and energy. If you need a jack that's easy to use, stable, and can handle a variety of vehicles in an emergency, this is a great choice. What people say. Heavy-duty construction. Built to withstand the rigors of everyday use, the kit features durable materials and reinforced components for long-lasting performance. Versatile design. The kit includes a high-lift hydraulic jack capable of handling a wide range of vehicles, along with a variety of sockets and wrenches for various tasks. The expandable lug wrench is perfect for removing stubborn lug nuts. Number 3. ROADFAR Spare Tire Tool Kit for Toyota Tacoma. Get your spare tire tool kit quickly with fast shipping. It's designed for a straightforward installation process, ensuring you're back on the road in no time. This kit is specifically designed to be compatible with Toyota Tacoma models from 2005 to 2021. It ensures a precise fit, just like the original equipment. Easily loosen or tighten lug nuts during a tire change. It also helps you lower your spare tire from underneath the vehicle when needed. Constructed from durable, strong, and rust-proof automotive-grade steel, this tool is built to last. You can rely on it for a long service life. Keep everything organized and ready for emergencies with the included carrying bag. Store it conveniently in your car for peace of mind. This product has been examined to meet or exceed OEM specifications. It's a reliable replacement that ensures proper fit and function. If you encounter any issues, we're here to help. Contact us for a replacement, return, or refund to ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This toolkit is specifically designed for Toyota Tacoma models, ensuring a proper fit. It's useful for both loosening lug nuts and lowering your spare tire. If you own a Toyota Tacoma and need a dedicated, OEM spec tool for tire changes and spare tire access, this is the perfect solution. What people say. Sure enough, the lug wrench fits the lugs and of course, the jack handle works as well. It fit perfectly for both the lug nuts and the spare tire release hoist. Works great. Does what it's supposed to do. Number 2. MULWARK 14.5 Motorcycle Tire Spoons. Crafted from premium chrome vanadium steel, this tool is built for strength and longevity. It resists corrosion and wear, ensuring it can handle tough jobs in any environment. Keep your wheels pristine with our included rim protectors. They shield your rims from scratches during tire changes, compatible with a wide range of vehicles. Tired of struggling? Our extra-long 14.5-inch design provides the reach and control needed for quick and safe tire removal without damaging rims. Easily manage air release and valve core replacement with our 4-point valve stem tool. It's designed for speed and convenience, saving you valuable time. This set is your go-to for a variety of vehicles, from motorcycles and ATVs to cars and lawn tractors. It offers the right tool for almost any tire change task. What we like. Constructed from durable chrome vanadium steel, this tool is built to last and includes rim protectors to prevent scratches. The extra-long design provides better leverage and control. If you frequently work on motorcycle tires or need a robust and protective tire changing tool, this is an excellent option. What people say. Strong and definitely durable. Changed out a few tires already and they haven't bent or broken yet. Made easy work of my dirt bike tire. Number 1. Rhino USA 86-piece Professional Tire Repair Kit. Introducing the ultimate solution for flat tires. This comprehensive kit is designed to get you back on the road quickly and easily. We are an American-owned, family-operated business. Join our family and experience our dedicated USA-based live phone support. This all-inclusive set contains 86 essential items for fixing flats. It includes everything you need, from repair plugs and strings to specialized tools. With 60 plug strings and durable steel tools, you can repair up to 60 tires. Be prepared for any situation, anytime. Designed to perform in any condition, this kit handles rain, snow, or extreme heat. It provides dependable tire repairs in any climate. We stand by our product with a real lifetime replacement guarantee. If you have any issues, we'll ensure your satisfaction with a replacement or refund. What we like. This is a complete 86-piece kit capable of repairing up to 60 tires, making it incredibly cost-effective. It's designed for all-weather performance, ensuring reliability in any condition. If you're looking for a comprehensive, heavy-duty tire repair solution for your car, motorcycle, or RV that will keep you prepared for numerous flats, this kit is ideal. What people say. The tools feel high quality, and the kit includes everything you need for quick, on-the-go tire repairs. This kit has it all: easy to use reamer tool, plug insert, pliers, razor and more. I am especially impressed with the quality of the plugs themselves, since not all plugs are made equal. These are soft, sticky, and sturdy and will work on tire punctures like a dream. The Rhino tire repair kit is built like a tank, everything inside feels durable and dependable. The tools are metal, not plastic, and the case keeps everything organized and easy to grab when you're in a rush. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.